Hi, welcome to a short video that will wrap up Kira 3.7 immunisation from the Neurobiology and Immunology unit of higher human biology by looking at antigenic variation, one of the strategies that some pathogens have of evading our immune system. So, it is possible for some pathogens to have mutations and actually change the shape of their antigens. So, because the antigens are no longer going to be complementary to the memory cells and the antibodies produced previously, means they're no longer going to be effective against them. So, memory cells are only going to be effective if you are encountering the exact same antigen. So that's why different strains exist and why we can have things like the cold and the flu many different times throughout our life. So antigenic variation occurs quite frequently in the influenza virus, and that explains why it's still such a major problem for our public healthcare systems, why we have seasonal flu and times when it's on the increase. And it's also why individuals who are at a high risk of having serious complications from the flu virus do get offered the vaccine every year, which will protect them against the strains predicted to be the most prevalent for that year. But it is something that needs to be offered on an annual basis. So I hope that was a nice short explanation of the antigenic variation, but let's try the past paper question. So the virus that causes influenza can evade the specific immune response by A. attacking phagocytes, B. attacking lymphocytes, C. surviving within phagocytes, or D. showing antigenic variation. So very common to see that for the influenza virus. Okay. If you do have any questions, please just let me know.